Did you know that the way you prepare your eggs could be putting your health at serious risk, especially if you're over 60? I'm talking about cooking methods that millions of seniors use every single day without realizing the hidden dangers lurking in their breakfast routine. Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal might completely change how you think about this everyday food. Before we dive into these shocking risks, let me ask you something. How many of you crack open those beautiful farm-fresh eggs and immediately think about salmonella, medication interactions, or cardiovascular complications? Probably not many. But here's the thing. As we age, our bodies become more vulnerable to food-related health issues that younger people might easily shake off. Let's start with the most dangerous preparation method that's sending seniors to emergency rooms across the country. I'm talking about consuming undercooked or raw eggs. You might think I'm being overly cautious, but hear me out. That runny yolk you love so much in your sunny-side-up eggs? It could be harboring salmonella bacteria that your aging immune system simply cannot handle the way it used to. Here's what happens when seniors consume undercooked eggs. Your immune system, which naturally weakens with age, struggles to fight off bacterial infections. While a 20-year-old might experience mild stomach discomfort, seniors can face severe dehydration, hospitalization, and in extreme cases, life-threatening complications. The CDC reports that adults over 65 are significantly more likely to develop serious complications from salmonella poisoning. But raw eggs aren't just hiding in your breakfast plate. They're sneaking into your diet through homemade mayonnaise, Caesar salad dressing, eggnog, and even some protein smoothies. Many seniors don't realize they're consuming raw eggs in these seemingly innocent foods. Now, let's talk about the second surprising risk that's affecting seniors nationwide. I'm talking about the hidden sodium bomb that many egg preparation methods create. When you're frying eggs in butter, adding cheese, or pairing them with processed breakfast meats, you're creating a sodium overload that your aging cardiovascular system might not be able to handle. Here's what's happening in your body. As we age, our kidneys become less efficient at processing excess sodium. This means that salt-heavy egg preparations can lead to dangerous blood pressure spikes, increased risk of stroke, and additional strain on your heart. Many seniors are already taking blood pressure medications, and these high-sodium egg dishes can interfere with their effectiveness. The third risk involves something most people never consider: medication interactions. If you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, the way you prepare your eggs could be sabotaging your treatment. Eggs cooked with large amounts of vitamin K-rich ingredients like spinach or certain herbs can interfere with your medication's effectiveness. Additionally, seniors taking certain antidepressants or mood stabilizers need to be careful about tyramine-rich foods that might be combined with eggs during preparation. Aged cheeses, processed meats, and fermented ingredients can create dangerous interactions when combined with specific medications. But here's where it gets really concerning. The fourth risk involves cholesterol misconceptions that are particularly dangerous for seniors. Many older adults believe that switching to egg whites eliminates all health risks, but this isn't entirely accurate. The problem isn't necessarily the eggs themselves, it's how they're being prepared and what they're combined with. When seniors fry eggs in excessive amounts of butter, oil, or combine them with high-fat processed foods, they're creating meals that can significantly impact their cholesterol levels and cardiovascular health. Your body's ability to process dietary cholesterol changes as you age, making these preparation methods particularly problematic for seniors with existing heart conditions. The fifth and perhaps most surprising risk involves digestive complications that specifically affect the senior population. As we age, our stomach acid production decreases, making it harder to properly digest certain foods. Hard-boiled eggs, especially when consumed frequently, can cause severe digestive distress in seniors. This reduced stomach acid, combined with slower digestive processes, means that eggs prepared in certain ways can lead to uncomfortable bloating, gas, and even more serious digestive blockages. Many seniors dismiss these symptoms as normal aging, but they could be directly related to their egg preparation methods. So what's the solution? I'm not telling you to eliminate eggs completely. They're actually an excellent source of protein and nutrients for seniors. Instead, focus on safer preparation methods. Scrambled eggs cooked thoroughly, poached eggs with fully set whites and yolks, and hard-boiled eggs cooked properly are much safer options. Always ensure eggs reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid adding excessive salt, butter, or processed ingredients. If you're taking medications, consult with your healthcare provider about potential food interactions. For those dealing with digestive issues, try softer preparations like scrambled eggs with minimal fat, or consider egg-based dishes that are easier to digest. Remember, your nutritional needs and digestive capabilities change with age, and your food preparation methods should adapt accordingly. The key takeaway here is awareness. These risks don't mean eggs are dangerous. They mean that seniors need to be more mindful about preparation methods. Your body has served you well for decades, and it deserves the respect of properly prepared, safe nutrition. Have you experienced any of these issues with egg preparation? Share your experiences in the comments below, and remember to consult with your healthcare provider about any dietary concerns. Your health is worth the extra attention to these important details.